Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Zerion Wallet Extension on your web browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser in which you want to install the Zerion extension. Google Chrome is recommended as it is where most of the extensions are available for direct install. So open up your web browser and simply type in Zerion Wallet Extension in the search box and start the search. Once you see the search results, you can simply click on the link from chrome.google.com to end up in the correct link. Now, once you end up in the Chrome Web Store page for Zerion Wallet, you will see an Add to Chrome button. Simply click on this button and then click on Add Extension. This will now begin the download and installation of the extension on your browser. Once the extension is installed, this will automatically open the extension page. Simply enter your address or domain and click on Check Eligibility, and you can proceed with logging into your wallet. Now, after the installation is completed, you can simply click on the Extensions tab at the top right corner of your web browser and then click on the Zerion Wallet to access it anytime. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Zerion Wallet extension on your web browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.